Hi Taurus, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you, Taurus. This is a mid-month reading for the month of March 2021. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Oopsie. Wow, Taurus, seriously? Card at the bottom of the deck is Three of Wands. I'll keep it here. I'm going to keep it right here because I think we've got enough cards for your reading. We've got the Tower card in reverse. Great. Mhm. Wow, Taurus, seriously. Major reconciliation energy. Somebody with Sagittarius in their chart or with a Sagittarius, could be a Gemini as well, but someone who has loved you for a really long time, they've had an eye out for you, and they've been waiting for their ships to come in, they've been waiting for you to respond in a certain way, so they know that they're not wasting their time. They need to know if they're um, correct in feeling the way they are for you right now, Taurus. And this is somebody who's really practical. They know what they want, they're ambitious, they're fiery, they're also very passionate about the things they want. It could be a Leo sign. They are pretty well off, they have all the luxuries in the world. What they lack here is their wish fulfillment when it comes to a partner, and that is also changing with you coming into their lives. You, on the other hand, Taurus, have gotten out of some kind of pain and some kind of hardship. Let's see if you would give in to this situation. Would you, Taurus? It could be an Aquarian person. Numbers 6 to 14, 8, 10 are important. Even 3 is important for some of you. Could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person as well. Leo, Virgo, or a fellow Taurus. Okay. So the person, just see what fell out on the ground. Wow. The Lovers card, and again you've got the Six of Cups. Definitely Taurus, somebody from your past, someone uh, with whom there was no contact is coming back. They are stuck on you, they can't move on, and probably for some of you, this person is coming to your city, locality, workspace, college, residential area from another place. And metaphorically speaking, this person has started moving in their life because of you, because you inspire them, Taurus. Could be a Libra person. I'm getting the energies of justice being served, Taurus. If you are facing any legal battles, rest assured you're going to win. 6 is a really important number. This person could be born on the 6th of any month, or could be born in June or 2006 also for some of you. good news coming your way. I feel, Taurus, you are going towards a place where you feel empowered, you feel strong, you feel more in your element, and whoever this person is that you're attracting in your life, whether it is from the so this person knows you, so whether this person is from your childhood, past, or from a past life, this person will bring strength and stability into your life, Taurus. Let's see some extra messages for you. Opportunity. When it comes to work, passion, anything, you're going to be getting a lot of opportunities. Let yourself receive. Allow others to give you loving care. Receive without guilt or apologies. Taurus. Look a little deeper at things that you only saw superficially. Pray to your ancestors, and I feel whatever was hidden from you will come to surface in your life. Secrets could be revealed, Taurus. Amplify your positive emotions. Number 7, 21, and 10 could be important. Oopsie. A win-win outcome is forecast. A new start is coming. Your commitment is being tested. Your hard work is paying off, and prosperity lies ahead. New moon in Taurus. Amazing, amazing energies. I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I will focus on will grow. Yes, energy flows where intention goes. What you focus on will manifest. I would like to dedicate this beautiful clear quartz to you, Taurus, so that you get the clarity that you truly deserve. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Taurus. This was a beautiful reading. Thank you for watching. Bye.